In this video, I'll show you how to turn off and disable the auto FPS on your iPhone. So you may have noticed that when you're recording, depending on the lighting, the FPS on your iPhone might change. So we can go ahead and turn that setting off so that it is a constant. So what we need to do first is open the settings on our iPhone. I'll be demonstrating this on the iPhone 16 today. Once we go ahead and open settings, we're then going to go ahead and scroll down until we see the camera option, select camera, and then on the next screen, go ahead and scroll just slightly until you see the option for record video. Go ahead and select that next. And then we're going to simply scroll down all the way until we see the option here for auto FPS. Go ahead and tap there. And then on the next screen, just simply turn this off by tapping the off option here. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video. And for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.